Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. Today we are going to dive into the world of Google Sheet. If you're new to Google Sheet, don't worry, we have got you. So let's begin the videos. First you have to open your web browser and search for Google Sheet. Now you have to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Click this button to create a new spreadsheet. You can use this blank document or use a template. Now click on a cell and start typing to enter data. You can use formulas and functions for calculations. Format your cells for better presentation using the formatting tool in the menu. That's it. Now don't forget to save your work in Google Drive. You can share your documents with others by clicking the share button. That's for today. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.